Oh, four bangers. Nothing exciting about that. Over here. Oh, HEMI. Oh, this one y'all was taking out. What were y'all looking for? Ticker?
Right here. Timing chain broke.
Oh no! Oh no! Holy crap! So the piston hit the valve. Interference engine. Wow, guys. Look at that. Look at that valve. It's nowhere near closed. Holy crap.
If you zoom in, you can see.
Oh, where it hit it? Oh, yeah, right there on the edge. It don't take much either. How the hell did the timing chain break?
You're looking here. See that?
What are you looking at? Oh, no! Wait. Yeah, I see it. It ain't even on the gear.
Make sure the audio can see this.
How in the world is this happening? Well, how in the world did this?
And the motor was still spinning off momentum. The top of the piston valve vents it. So we were going to do a long block, but we think the customer lucked out. We're just going to do the heads.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
You can get away with just doing it? Since the piston just barely smacked it must have died right away.
Unless, the piston hits the valve hard to where it mushrooms out the edge of the piston, it'll actually score up the block.
Wow.
We don't see that, so we're just going to take our chances.
How in the hell is the timing chain breaking? How's that possible? It's a lot of miles on it?
Driving habits? I don't know.
Oh, you can't turn the key on, the battery off. At least the battery should be off. Oh, no. Wow, guys. One of those things. Well, so no, if that was induced or not, not sure, but that valve is bent. Okay, he broke out the tap and die kit. I don't know what we're chasing, what kind of threads we was chasing, but look at that. No damage to the other head, so yeah, all those valves laying flat.
When you do a head job, watch out for this.
What are you putting it?
Watch out for sludge.
Oh, that buildup right there?
Yeah. I recommend doing a coolant flush pretty frequently.
Oh, yeah. To avoid that happening.
Yeah. God. You can see where the other valve hit this one. It was on that.
Just kissed it, didn't it?
Yeah. Barely nicked it right there.
Yeah. I don't know about that part. I have to read up on that.
Well, these are interference engines. Like, everything is timed perfectly. So if one thing breaks, everything goes to shit.
Oh boy. It is fixable. You don't have to have an engine though. Guess what you're gonna see. You can see straight through that mud. See straight through it from here.
Yeah, Nick showed me his light's not supposed to be open that far.
No, it ain't supposed to be open at all. If the cam lobe and the rocker.
That far,
yeah, that's crazy. All right, guys, here we go. Hey, what's going on back? 3.6 Pentastar. Guys, you know what's weird about this one? This is a new Mopar 3.6 Pentastar. Okay, so we could have easily, another one of those instances where we could have easily repaired it. Here's the old engine right here. So it's a long block, but it doesn't come with a timing chain cover. So we have to reposition, remove the old timing chain cover and put it on a new engine. Now, I don't know what's getting with these insurance company. Like I say, I got one over there. They could easily be repaired. Yeah, this look like the worn out cam load right here. But they much rather us replace the engine. I don't know. Go figure. But they not hard at all. But like I say, it comes with, long block is going to come with heads anyway, just not the oil pan and the front timing cover. Now, what you will get from this, all of this, is a clean oil pan. Okay, no trash in the oil pan. So any trash that came from this valve train problem here, it might have been in the oil pan, but it's going to be cleaned out to go into the new engine. Okay, what is this? What this come out of? This is a Challenger, guys. It's not that hard at all, guys. Fairly easy. Electric power steering, rack and pinion. That looks like an 8-speed transmission. Simply unbolt everything. Tricky way to get the torque converter bolts is through the starter hole. Okay, so yeah, this is not a hard job at all. Very, 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 very easy. It just amazes me how they want you to, yeah, come in a nice, neat box and everything. Oh, he getting a new off at the adapter housing. This must was leaking. So you're gonna go back in with a new oil filter adapter housing. Yeah. I showed y'all a cutaway view last time on the timing chain setup, but they don't come with a cover or oil pan, so you got to reuse all the old stuff. Alright, so fairly interesting, guys. That's all. Let's figure out, walk out over here and show y'all what's going on. I don't know how many of you have done oil pumps. I got one to do over there on the minivan. I guess I'll run that by you guys. You might get a code like a P06DD. Typically gonna end up replacing this. You got to be extremely careful. I don't know how many have done one, but with this guide, it's just spring loaded. See, nothing holding it, so it's a lot banking on the strength of this little thing. I don't know, guys. One guy was complaining. I think that was Mopar Man. He was saying this engine won't last long because these guys are plastic. Mopar Man commented the other day. So I don't know if that's gonna play a role because they're stationary. They're not really moving. Okay, but who knows? We'll see as time go on. All right, highest mileage one I've seen so far is 220. That's not very high, but it's not very low. But I didn't hear any or see any problem in the front timing area, guys. All right, let's go this way, guys. Dude, let's go to lug nuts, miss.
I know. Well, it's one of them's broken.
Oh, so the other ones is tight. It's just the.
Well, 3 out of 4 is attachment groups. But like I said, dude, this shit.
It was no.
You hit a bump and the steering wheel goes.
Is that press fit?
It is.
Oh, it ain't bolts in the back.
It's just like a Patriot or a PT.
It's the whole knuckle and shit comes up.
Single overhead cam. Ooh, is it cracks? Is those cracks on the timing belt? Is that, look at that belt.
Yeah, that belt. It ain't new.
It's lived this damn life pretty damn good.
This is the tall